you're chewing on a screw. Why are you doing that? Why? I'm gonna call you Phillips. Now, 10 penny. Bubba, quit it's a screw. What are you chewing on? I'm shutting it down. Hey, buddy. You did the moonwalk. Hello, beautiful. I heard you chirping earlier. It was crazy. All right, I'm gonna bail. Oh, you look like a chicken to me. Oh. Hey guys, how's it going? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Ah! So your husband and wife, where did you guys meet? Yeah? Really? How long you guys been together? That long, huh? So it's been a rough road. Ups and downs, but mainly ups, right? Oh, really? Okay, good talking to you. I'm gonna move on. See you around. Coming down here. Like that.